Good morning! This is your trainer, Elero Suko Pailden, and I will demonstrate to you on how to connect the laptop to the speaker and to the projector. Because it is important that to utilize the electronic media in facilitating learning in all trainings. So let's start. First, we need to use a laptop and a projector, a VGA cord, the power cord, the audio connector, and the speaker. First, we have to set up the connection from the laptop to the projector. Now, we are going to use the VGA cord. As you can see, there are two ends of the VGA cord. The first end shall be connected to the port of the projector. Then, the other end shall be connected to the laptop. Okay. And also, do not forget the power cord. Now, we are going to connect the laptop to the speaker using the audio cord. In this audio cord, you will see that there are two ends. The other end has a double plug and the other end has a single plug. The single plug will go to the port of the laptop. And the double plug will go to the port of the speaker. So as you can see also that there are two colors. There is red and there is white. So red to red, white to white in the port of the speaker. Now that's it. Now everything is connected. And let's see if it works. We have to first turn on our projector. This is the power button. I've already turned it on a while ago so that you can see that if it is really working. And make sure also that your laptop is working. And then the model of the speaker, the power button is in the back. So I will just turn it on. As you can see, the speaker is already turned on. So everything is turned on. Let's see a sample video presentation if it's really working. So that's all for our demo presentation for today. And I hope you got it right. This is your trainer, Ellie Rose S. Pailden. Thank you!